Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, June 26, 2024, and we are looking to go down with the market. What we expect to see is a price spike up, blow everybody's stops out, and then they're going to run the market down. And there goes everybody's stops, pumps the brakes, and they're going to turn it around.
Order fill.
Inverted H slingshot. Inverted H, inverted H, inverted H 555, inverted H. Once the price clears the $1 marker, we're going to wait until the price clears this area to move our stop. I expect the price to come all the way down to the 200 moving average. If it gets down that far, we'll close out as it's crashing into it.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
All right, we're locked in for that guaranteed $1 move.
Order fill.
I love it when a plan comes together. And there you are, ladies and gentlemen, over $1.50 drop on the Qs today.